Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of the day. Now today's word is sə-ya-hət. Sə-ya-hət. Sə-ya-hət can mean travel, trip, or journey. Let's see those in some phrases. To travel abroad, a weekend trip, a long journey. Let's see what do they sound like in Azerbaijani. Xaricə, sə-ya-hət etmək. Etmək technically to do. But when you say Xaricə sə-ya-hət and you added etmək to do, you basically want to say to travel abroad. Xaric, abroad. To, abroad, Xaricə. All right? Həftəsonu, weekend. A weekend trip, həftəsonu sə-ya-hət. A long journey, uzun sə-ya-hət. Let's use this in some sentences. Biz bu yay Xaricə sə-ya-hət edəcəyik. We will travel abroad this summer. Biz, us, we. Bu yay, this summer. Xaricə sə-ya-hət edəcəyik. This is future tense. See, etmək, infinitive. Edirik, we are doing. Edəcəyik, we will do. All right? Biz bu yay Xaricə sə-ya-hət edəcəyik. Let's see another sentence. Uzun sə-ya-hət yorucu oldu. The long journey was tiring. Yorucu, tiring. It comes from the word yorulmak, too tired to get tired. Yorucu, tiring. Oldu, was. Uzun, we already know, long. Uzun sə-ya-hət yorucu oldu. All right, that was today's word sə-ya-hət. You don't have to use it in full Azerbaijani sentence. Let's see what we have today. I take PTO for overseas sə-ya-hət every time. And then I need another one for post-səyahət. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.